Hi guys, in this video I will try to make a mini gingerbread house with this ready-made kit from B&M. B&M is a store here in the UK and I bought this for £2, so it is fairly cheap. So let's unpack it and see how I do. As you can see, these items are very well packed together, compressed, and each individual item was packed in plastic foil. So let's unpack them. I've noticed only on one of the cookies there was a slight crack, but all the others were in very good condition. So now let's unpack it and see how we put this all together. I have put some plastic foil underneath this white cardboard to sort of secure it to the wooden board so it doesn't move around, because it is a bit slippy, this white board. So this is the icing sugar and it says to massage it for 2 minutes to get it smooth, and then you cut away a corner and you apply the icing sugar onto the panels. The icing is very thick. Maybe I didn't massage it long enough, but anyway, be careful. Don't cut too big of a hole into this plastic bag. And when you apply the icing, you sort of have to put a little bit of pressure onto the cookie. Not too much so you don't break it, but just a little bit. So anyway, I think I probably used too much, but let's see how I get on. It's my first time, so it's all fun. So this took me a while, that's why I will fast forward through it. It actually collapsed on me once, so I had to do it again. I didn't put the icing on the proper sides, but of course it is my first time doing this, so hang in there. So as you can see, I've added these sort of colorful sugar balls onto the house. I didn't have enough icing left to make it as perfect as the picture, but of course this is the fun of it all, isn't it? I made my own version of it, and I also tried the icing, and I do not recommend you that unless you have a really sweet tooth. It is very, very sweet. And I don't think we will eat it, we will keep it as decoration. That is also the reason why after I added these sugar balls, I put some snow spray onto them, onto this gingerbread house. And you have to be really careful if you try to do that. I wouldn't recommend it, I wouldn't. But if you think of copying me, it probably would be better to use soft sugar, powdered sugar, instead of snow spray, because the snow spray has water in it and it makes these sugar balls on there sort of, it melts them a bit so they can drip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.